Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma should top the list of shameless liars in the country, surpassing all limits. If you ask Himanta Biswa Sarma what his politics is, his answer would probably be spreading hatred against Muslims. Those who joined the BJP from other parties have made it a norm to spread hatred against Muslims to please their new superiors. Sarma goes beyond all social norms to propagate this hatred. If anti-Muslim hatred were removed from these men, nothing would remain of their political careers. His politics rest on the hatred and lies he spreads against Muslims. This is not the first time that Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has spread hatred against Muslims. But this time he has made a statement that makes a fool of himself beyond all limits. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that the percentage of Muslims, which was 12% in 1951, will be 40% in 2024. This is a very serious matter, a matter of life and death for me, he said. He claimed that Assam could become a Muslim majority state by 2041. Where does Sarma get the courage to tell such blatant lies when even a common man can verify such facts on the internet? Doesn't the thought that he is the chief minister of the state even occur to him? What Sarma has just said is not the least bit true, it is 100% lies. So what are the actual figures? A census has not been conducted in the country for the last 13 years. It should be conducted by the central government. There has been no census at all. This is the first time since 1881 that no census has been conducted. So let's look at the 2011 figures. The first lie told by the Himanta Biswa Sarma, the chief minister said that in 1951, Assam's Muslim population was 12%. Then in an ex-post he said 14%. Now, is this true? The first census conducted in India after independence in 1951 establishes that the Muslim population in Assam was 24.68%, not 12 or 14 as claimed by the Assam Chief Minister. This data is also available on the government's Minority Welfare and Development website. Another claim he made is that the population is 40% now. Is this true? No, that too is a lie. According to the 2011 census, Assam has a total Muslim population of 1,679,345, accounting for 34.22%. If you look at this, the Muslim population has increased by 10% between 1951 and 2011. It is a different story that a large number of Muslims failed to register their names in the 1951 census. If so, the percentage of population increase will be lesser. According to Sarma's lie, the increase in population is 28%. This is not a small gap. The figures are in front of you. We did not do much research to come up with these figures. This information can be found with little search on the internet. But the big media houses of the country could not do this. They did not say that the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, is sitting on a constitutional post and telling blatant lies. Rather than searching for the truth, Sarma's lies were propagated as if they were true. They not only said what he said but also added much of their own analysis. If Himanta Biswa Sarma told a lie, the Godi media built a mountain of lies. How can India's lapdog media be called media? They are propaganda shops. What Sarma sees ahead is a challenge to his chief ministerial chair. Facing elections in 2026, Sarma, who has no answer to problems like unemployment and price rise, is using Muslim hatred as his answer. That's all for today. If you like the content we provide, please subscribe to the Upfront and press the bell icon to get notification of all our updates. Please share our videos and educate others. Thank you.